This is Hannibal from thehannibaltv.com. Unfortunately, John Moxley, aka Dean Ambrose, tweeted that he has an elbow injury that's going to prevent him from wrestling on AEW's All Out pay-per-view against Kenny Omega. According to the Wrestling Observer, he's going to be out of action for about 4 weeks, which would allow him to be back in time for their TNT AEW debut October the 2nd. In other AEW news, tickets went on sale today for their late October events in Pittsburgh and Charleston, West Virginia. Looking at the ticket sites now at almost 6 p.m., it doesn't appear that they were immediate sellouts like they have had, but who knows with AEW, they could still sell out. In the first day, they have an incredible amount of people buying live event tickets despite not even having a TV show yet. It'll be interesting to see if the TV show actually helps their ticket sales or hurts it, because if the show isn't any good, obviously less people would be buying tickets, but it remains to be seen how the show is. AEW has run 3 events so far. Their Double or Nothing pay-per-view for the pay-per-view itself had pretty good reviews. The pre-show to the pay-per-view didn't have good reviews. Then they had 2 other pay-per-views, one in Jacksonville and one in, I believe, Daytona Beach since Double or Nothing, and both of those had mixed reviews. So we'll see how the TV show does in October.